Hi, this is Dr. Leah Hill with Pet Vet Products. Today I wanted to go over the pet first aid kit and what's included. We actually have 3 sizes. This one is a large. They are water-resistant bags with handles here. So the first thing we have that's included is the Pet Vet First Aid Guide that I wrote. So it has step-by-step instructions on CPR, different diseases, symptoms, treatments. So lots of information in here. The next thing we have is a smaller booklet on all the medications and the dosages of the medications that I have included in the bag. We have a leash. You can use it as a leash, or you can actually use it as a muzzle if you need to. If your pet is in pain, sometimes they bite, and so wrapping this around their muzzle while you're treating them is helpful. We have 3 of each size, a small, medium, and large vet wrap, which is very helpful with bandaging. It sticks to itself, so it's perfect for bandaging wounds and doing splints. We have a splint that you can actually cut to the shape of their leg. So if you're out in hiking and there's no one around, this is really helpful to have. We also have 3 each size of the bandage material, 2 for bandages for petting, and 3 of the large. We have an instant cold pack, ice pack, emergency blanket, so if it's cold or if they're shivering, you can put this on. Thermometer, check their temperature. Syringe. So if we need to give them any liquid medications or the peroxide to induce vomiting, this is definitely, you'll need one of these. Next thing we have is a pen light, so you can check their pupils, check in their mouth, make sure there's nothing stuck. Bandage scissors. I have forceps and hemostats. These are really nice for pulling out splinters, foxtails. Definitely very, very helpful. A comb for flea comb to check for fleas. There's a nail trimmer in here. My Pet Vet Medic tick remover. It's really nice, wallet-sized card. It has the description of how to remove the tick on the back, and there's 2 different sizes for different size ticks. We have tape for the bandaging, gloves. We have a lot of different bandage material, gauze, non-adhesive pads, and also abdominal pads for large wounds for bleeding to help hold pressure. There's a bowl, pop-up bowl. We have peroxide to induce vomiting in emergency situations. The dosage is all in the books that come with it. We have individual size burn cream and antibiotic spray cream. Stiff-nick powder, so if their nail is bleeding, you can apply this. You can also apply it on small wounds as well. The last bag has the medications in it. So we have glucose gel. If your pet's hypoglycemic or has low blood sugar, you can give this. We have betadine wipes to clean wounds. Wound seal is really helpful for large wounds that are bleeding. You put the powder on the wound and do a compression bandage to help control the bleeding until you can be seen. We have surgical glue, which is good for small wounds to glue the skin together. Eye rinse. If your pet has dirt or sand in the eyes, you can rinse the eyes out. And then we have eye lubricant, which helps to lubricate and help with irritation of the eye. We have aspirin, which can be used in an emergency situation for pain. It's you have to really follow the directions that are in the book of how much to give. It is a temporary medication for pain. Diamode is Imodium for diarrhea, works really well. We have diphenhydramine or Benadryl, which is really good for insect bite reactions. We have hydrocortisone cream, which is an anti-inflammatory for little insect bites or redness. This helps a lot. We have Diatome, which is Pepto-Bismol for upset stomach. And finally, meclizine, which is really good for motion sickness, but also vomiting and nausea as well.